Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from AMT and Ertl. This is from the Star Wars series, Imperial TIE Fighters. So here on the front cover, you can see your illustration with various images, as well as the artist sign off there, skill level, and Imperial TIE Fighters and model kit in various languages. Let's take a look on the sides here. Again, the branding, actual photos of the model items. On this side, we can see here a barcode. And continuing, some more information in other languages. You are going to need paint and cement. And this is from 1997 and made in Mexico, which is kind of interesting there. Also, as well as here's more information on the cardboard bottom in various languages. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see, let's take a look at the instructions here really quickly. You can see there a little bit of information in other languages, as well as contact information at the time. The style of assembly has numbers, letters, as well as those icons on what is needed to do at each steps here. So it's pretty international friendly. And then continuing on this side, more of the other detail pieces until you get to the final kind of display bottom, etc. So going back to the front are the assembly kind of icons, as well as the paint needed along with certain steps here, as you can see, coded with the various numbers and letters throughout. So let's take a look on the inside here. Did start this a little bit. You can see here a little bit of initial painting done on the very large familiar side pieces. A little bit of separation of some of the smaller pieces here with some initial painting there done. You can see here a very large display base. This is one of the largest ones I have. Let's continue here. These are the pieces still on the trees. I'm not going to really pull them out too far, but you can see here the titling right there for the bottom, as well as the molding detail, some of the smaller pieces there. And here you can actually see some of the clear visor pieces still in the bag there for the cockpit and etc. Let's take a look at some of the other material here. A little flyer for joining the fan club. Pretty interesting there, as well as something for the blue printer for publication there. But taking a very quick look at the Imperial TIE Fighters from the Star Wars series and from AMT Ertl 1997. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and some show and tell videos. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.